Good morning everyone, and we have a very important day today. So of course this is 3rd of July and we have a hearing today in Supreme Court on the RBI's decision, and I think we are about a couple of hours away from hearing the final decision that comes out. Considering the 5th of July is going to be the last day for the cryptocurrency exchanges, so this is I'm very excited to see as to what exactly comes out. Is the 5th July really the last date, or is it going to be extended? So some of you, and thank you so much for sharing your opinion on the Twitter. Yesterday there was a poll that I tweeted yesterday that how many people actually think that Indian exchanges will have more time, and it turns out that 51% people actually believe that exchanges will be given more time. So that's quite interesting. Now let's move on to the next news. So Coinbase yesterday announced that they onboarded their first client for the institutional investor. So they have a dedicated website for custodian wallets. So this is called custody.coinbase.com, digital asset custody for institutions owned and operated by Coinbase, the leader in digital currency. And so how is it different from everything else? So of course, they have been running this exchange for about more than 5 years, 6 years. Today, they are one of the largest exchange all across the globe, I guess, when it comes to fiat to crypto exchange. Not really crypto to crypto, but fiat to crypto, right? And of course, they have started branching out all the other countries. Also, they started a branch in Japan, and probably they can come to India, but I don't think they'll come to India unless the regulations are really friendly. But yes, but this is very interesting move from the Coinbase. A digital asset custodian provides strict financial controls and secure storage for the institutional investors wanting to trade digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. And so one of the reasons why he emphasized that this is so important is that he said there are about 100 hedge funds have been created in the past year exclusively to trade digital currency. By some estimates, here is a 10 billion of institutional money waiting on the sidelines to invest in digital currency today. And maybe he is right, because as soon as we saw yesterday the announcement from the Coinbase and they onboarded one client, we already saw the price really jumping almost by $200-300 yesterday. Right now also we are talking about 4.88% up in the last 24 hours and 6,600. To be honest, we see this price after a very long time. So yeah, so one of the exchange, it was just a normal exchange. By the way, they have a pricing plan as well. So setup fee 100,000 USD, just the setup fee to set up the custodian wallet. That's pretty high, you know. So it's definitely a very good business model for the exchange. And let's not forget that Coinbase was just an ordinary exchange, just like you have here is Zepe and Unocoin and all those, and now it has moved on to become one of the biggest company across the world. Not only that, but they also opened up the custodian wallet for the institutional investors. And I'm sure Indian exchanges would like to do something like that, to open up the custodian wallet for institutional investors in India. But you know, forget about the institutional investing and opening up a custodian wallet. They are struggling to operate their own normal businesses. As you can see, a lot of cryptocurrencies exchanges are planning to move abroad. So completely opposite to what a Coinbase can expect from the regulators and what Indian exchanges can expect from their regulators. So yeah, there was this article on the NDTV wherein it says that a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges, one of the cryptocurrency exchanges that really mentioned, even I heard this for the first time, it says the International Digital Asset Platform is one such exchange started by Indian-based founders, has set up the company in Estonia, Europe, to run the crypto business. So the situations are quite different from what is there in the US and what is there in India. Exchanges in the US are opening up more branches all across the globe. They are opening up other streams. They are opening up custodian wallets. And exchanges in India are struggling to operate their normal business. As you can see, the difference between a developed country and the developing countries. But let's see what really happens today. Today is 3rd of July, and I'm just hoping that there's something positive comes out for all the Indian exchanges, so that they are able to operate. They don't have to move out of India, as well as investors, traders like you, like me, can continue trading and and find some more innovations into the space, isn't it? The last one I want to share is Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson was invited at Google to speak about what Cardano is. Seems he is getting popularity in the name, and you never know, you might expect some kind of association, some kind of collaboration between Google and Cardano. Irrespective of if that happens or not, I think that Google is closely looking at the blockchain space, and that's one of the reasons why he invited I guess Charles Hoskinson to understand really that what are the possibilities for Google when it comes to creating a blockchain or something like Ethereum. And let's not forget here, Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin was offered a job from Google. Do you remember that recent article, which of course he neglected? He refused to accept the offer, but then the Google could not get through Vitalik Buterin, and now they got through Charles Hoskinson. And this is not a job offer, of course. They wanted to understand completely in depth as to what blockchain technology is and how does the Cardano work like, and what are the possibilities that Google have to do something like that. So that's quite fascinating, isn't it? One of the biggest giant firm in internet firm getting into blockchain space. So let's hope let's see what exactly happens. We're just about a couple of hours from the final decision. I'm excited to see. I'm quite positive that we, at least the 5th of July should not be the last date, and hopefully we get some positive news from the regulators here. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, dislike, leave your comment. I'm ready to hear your comment and see what exactly you think, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.